A very good morning to one and all. Welcome to Dr. SNS Radhilakshmi College of Arts and Science. A warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. Welcome to the topic known as employee turnover. So, this employee turnover term plays a very vital role in a company. So why? Because the term employee turnover refers to the rate at which the employee leaves the organization and replaced by the new hire. So this may be for a different reasons, maybe for resignation or layoff, firing, or maybe some other reasons. But the ratio should always should be less, so that the company can move towards its growth. So the employee turnover plays a very important role at present scenario. So why? What are the causes of employee turnover? So maybe the management and the leadership qualities, and when the employee may not feel the job satisfaction. So the lack of career development and opportunities, and the benefits what they are expecting, if they are not able to get the benefits, that is also the reason maybe for the leaving the organization. Other thing is work-life balance, next work culture, environment. These are all the reasons why the employee is moving from one organization towards the another organization. So now we'll see the next what are the benefits if you retain our employee. So when we retain our employee for a long time, so it reduces the recruitment and training cost and improves the employee morale and productivity, maintains the a good knowledge, and it emphasizes the customer satisfaction and the loyalty. So these are the possibilities when we retain our employee with our organization for a long period of time. Then what are the effects? What happens if high turnover ratio moves? So it increases the recruitment and training cost. So for example, if we already trained hundreds of employee at this year, so we were spending a lot of amount for training and for them other inbound outbound trainings, and the they are the employees those who are going to see, they are going to focus on our growth. So if they are not able to retain, we are not they are not able to sustain in our organization, so again it is our responsibility to replace in their job. So again we have to spend the amount for the training, so this leads to high training cost. So next is about the loss of organization knowledge. So when we are training the employee, when the employee is moving from our organization with another organization, again it is a loss for us to they may know the knowledge about the tactics skills about our organization, they may use for the other person. So then another thing is the low team morals and the productivity, negative impact on the company reputations. The term reputation plays a very vital role at present, because company reputation is also getting affected when the employee is frequently moving from one organization towards the another organization. So what are the strategies? That means how we can reduce, we cannot able to stop at any organization, but we can reduce the turnover ratio. So like we can follow the strategies, like we can offer a very good and competitive salary benefits for them, and giving them opportunities to grow themselves along with their career. Then ensuring their work life balance, conducting the regular feedback and appreciations, so getting their ideas, and foster the positive work culture. So these all makes them to stay in organization. It gives them a feel that it's my home, it's my home place, that I have to contribute something to my organization. So that kind of culture we can build among the employees. These are all the some strategies, some very few strategies. There are many more strategies that we can the companies are applying nowadays to retain their employees. The word of appreciation is also very important for an individual. It makes them to stay back in the organization for a long time. So other thing is the monetary benefits, insurance, health benefits, like giving them a priority to balance their work life. These are all the some strategies that we can retain our employee with the organization. So by this I conclude this topic, employee turnover. Thank you.